Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube playlist to your Notion page. This is super helpful if you're collecting learning resources, planning content, or just saving playlists to watch later. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube playlist you want to add. Click the address bar and copy the full playlist URL. Now switch over to Notion. Go to the page where you want to add the playlist. You can paste it anywhere, but I recommend starting a new block to keep things organized. Let's go ahead and type Charge Embed and hit enter. You'll see the embed block pop up. Now paste the YouTube playlist URL into the box and click Embed Link. Notion will now display a YouTube player right inside your page. You can resize it by dragging the corners or move it anywhere you like. Here's something to note. Notion doesn't let you scroll through the whole playlist inside the embed player. It'll usually just show the first video. But don't worry, there's a workaround. You can also just paste the link directly onto the page and press enter. Notion will create a preview link with the title and thumbnail of the playlist. When you or someone else clicks it, it opens the full playlist on YouTube. So depending on how you want it to look, you can choose between an embedded player or a clean clickable link. And that's it. Your playlist is now added to Notion. Super easy and really handy. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. How to download chess.com on PC or laptop.